Hello everybody, my name is Kendall if you didn't already know, and if you guys didn't know, you should definitely click that little subscribe button that's right down below. Y'all, it's been a damn minute since I filmed a sit-down video. And I'm not really doing a sit-down video, it's gonna be another one of those like, what's in my closet videos. Y'all, look at this shirt. I was just in Dallas with my grandpa, and I'm so excited for this. It says don't mess with Texas. It's gigantic. It's like a dress on me because I bought it in a medium and I'm so happy with it. It's super comfy. Yikes, I'm talking a mile a minute. Anyway, I did a poll on my Instagram a little while ago and I said if I cleaned out my closet and filmed a video about like cleaning out my closet and getting rid of stuff and putting everything on Depop, if anybody would be interested in watching it. And a lot of people said yes, and a lot of people said they'd be interested in buying things too. So right now I'm listing a bunch of stuff on my Depop. I will put a little screen recording up of what I have currently, and then I'll show you guys, will see what I have after. So, I've got a bunch of shoes, I've got some swimsuits, I've got some never worn Victoria's Secret stuff because I bought it in all the wrong size, and I got swimsuits and a Lulu's dress. It's super cute, it's a maxi dress, I'll show you guys, because I feel like it doesn't justify it in the pictures. It's really beautiful. It's this slate blue maxi dress, but I bought it in a small instead of an extra small. And I'm 5'2", so it's way too long on me. I can put the link in the bio below, in the description below. That way you can look at like the measurements, so you can measure yourself. But literally I have it up for 30 bucks on my Depop and I paid 66 plus, shipping. So if you want it, grab it because it's a really good deal. My closet is a huge mess on the floor, so hopefully y'all don't see that, but I'll show you what I'm working with in here. It's a lot. So let's see. The lighting's horrid. So I have jumpsuit, jeans, sweaters, shoes. See, mess. See, I should clean my closet and film that because look at this. It happens, y'all. And then I've got all of that. So everything that is like clothing, so shirts and jackets and pants, everything is $4.75 shipping. And for things like shoes and boots, which I don't think I have any boots, for shoes it's $9 because you have to get a box and you have to get a bigger package because they weigh more. So yeah, for shoes shipping is $9, for shirts and bikinis and things like that shipping is $4.75. My Depop is Kendall Krone. You just search my name. I will put a screenshot of it here, and you saw the screen recording, but I guess I didn't put it in my last video where I listed a bunch of stuff on Depop, so I'm sorry. And I'm going to try and ship everything out on Fridays, so if you order something, I will ship it on Friday. Okay, y'all, this is the maxi dress from Lulu's, and, well, they're somewhere in here. As you can see, tag is still attached. It is a halter top, spaghetti straps. This is the back. It's an open back, and then it's very long and flowy. It's got this gorgeous color, which you can't see very well on my Depop, but this is exactly what the color looks like. So I'm obviously selling that. It's already up there. It's there for $30, and this would be $9 shipping. So you'd be paying $39, and it is $66. enjoyed this a little bit, again, my Depop is Kendall Krone. It'll be linked down below if you want to buy any of the pieces. Just let me know. You guys are seriously the best, and I love you so much. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you'll probably like my others, so you should definitely click around, stay for more, subscribe down below. I don't think I thank you guys enough. You guys seriously are my world. You guys rock, and I know I've been off my game, but seriously, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It honestly means the world to me. And if you buy a piece, comment down below and I will write you a note, because I really like to give back to you guys, and I would just like to tell you how much you mean to me. So I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Peace out, babes. Am I getting tan, or is it just my sunburn? Or am I getting tan, or is it just my sunburn? Pretty sure it's just my sunburn. I just want to be tan.